Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this thing. I don't think anyone has done it. I think I created it. I'm going to be doing blindfolded edits. I do like a zillion edits because they're actually really fun. And I'm going to be making a new intro with my sister because I'm stupid and she's smart. So yeah, so before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put notifications on and share. And also, at the morning, I have 52 subscribers, now I have 55. Guys, I'm so happy. I really want 100 subscribers. That's barely any, but I've like never had any success. Now I am. But for this, what I do is I'm gonna get my person and then I have to change her outfit blindfolded. And then I pick a color for her to get transparent on. And then I pick up background and I have to type, like for example, if I want to type aesthetic, I have to type it not looking on the keyboard, well, blindfolded of course. So, and then whatever it turns out, if it turns out as poo background, I get a poo background. So yeah, no, not animation. Oh yeah, and I also have to get the face and animation. Let's take everything off. Oh my god, who is that? Okay guys, this is just my dad. If you hear him, because he isn't here yet, he's not in the living room, because that's where I record. Well, sometimes in my bedroom, but we're gonna start with hair first. Okay, I'm gonna like do this. I'm blindfolded right now, so I'm closing my eyes. Okay, I don't really. I'm gonna take this blush off because it's taking it out. Okay, take that one. No, t-shirt. Oh, I kind of like. Oh god. Well, last time. Wait, I don't need pants for this. It's a dress, correct? No, it's like. I don't know what it is, but now shoes. 2, 1, 2, and this. Yeah, it actually is not bad. Last time was horrible, guys. Okay, color. Okay, 1, 2, and this. Oh, okay. Alright, landing up. This is actually not bad. But the shoes on the top, they're not the best. They're like, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. Oh my god! I get 3 accessories, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really? Everything was going great except this. Look how much better it looks like that. But yeah, I get it. Okay, now animation. This. Really?
To think you can change the world. You can change the world.
What? Oh! Are you serious? Oh, I can't see. Can we at least see her face, guys? I want to see, like, what? Oh. 1, 2, no! Why? Oh my god. Last time animation quick and easy. This. Oh, cheeky again. Last time I got cheeky. I recorded this, but like my dog was barking crazy. So I don't know why she was barking. She's just okay, oh, that was so close. Oh, keep on getting this middle. Middle? Why am I getting middle? Okay. Yay! Last time I got angry. Yeah, I am loving this. I'm so lucky this time. Oh yeah, and I got this macro. This is how it turned out last time. The cherry and this match, but and the hula hoop things. Yeah, I know they're earrings. Okay, let's put the background to make it transparent. It doesn't really matter, but if it's like white. Wait, last time I didn't want to pick from these two, like I know the order, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, this should go. I got green! Guys, I am lucky today. Like, yay. The green isn't the best color. It looks like bark, but who cares? There we go. She's so beautiful. Okay, file. Oh! Wait, I didn't do the. Oh, it doesn't matter if I didn't do the shoes, because like I'm not even capturing the shoes. I like type stuff. And guys, I've already done this trick, but I'm gonna show you it again. I'm gonna make this girl transparent in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna teleport to Google. Okay, we're here now. I'm gonna try type. Or should I spell it? Okay. Last time I tried, I got the AES and the T, but everything else was harder. AES THEIC. Oh my god, guys! I wasn't lucky. What? Okay, now background is you don't have to. Guys, I'm shocked. It's crazy. Now I have to pick one blind. Hello everybody, it's me, Christine. They're new. Oh my god. Wait, what do I have for her? Okay, it's kind of like blackish. Go for a blackish. Okay. So, well, I don't know where they are. So, I'm gonna try to get hollow. Blah 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 blah. This one. What? Where? Why is my mouse on mute? Okay. Blah 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 blah. No, I don't. This one. Okay, it's okay. It actually isn't the worst, but I was hoping for that because I love hollow. It's not. Okay, what was I saying? I was trying to say something. I was like, let's go in Pixlr, but then it came out like, let's go, yeah. And also, I have no clue why I wanted to do speech thing where I talk. Oh my god, I can't talk or type. So, always do like this. So with 2,560, height 1,440. Okay, now this part I'm gonna put the thing there, but then I have to, when I'm making the size, I'm gonna be blinded. Okay, so I'm gonna grab onto this. Okay, now I can't see this. Oh, I love this eye. Okay, I think there. Oh, hey, yes, it's not bad. This edit is going to be my thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna find the person right now. Sorry if you can see my dad playing with my dog, but let's now make her in size. Here's there. Let's move her here. Yes. No. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's a good spot. Now I'm gonna move. I don't know how long I should. Okay, I think. What's that? Oh, yay! No. Okay. There? Oh my god, it's perfect! Okay, well, this is the edit. I'm gonna put in the thumbnail, so this is gonna be the thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys how I do a thumbnail. Actually, I already done this. Blindfolded. No, I don't need. On Pixlr, the worst problem is that there's barely any are you serious? Okay, it's not frozen. There's like barely any nice one like things, so I can do that one, the beautiful Prince Charming one. No, I'm not. It's disgusting. See, like, what is this? That's actually not bad. Like, yes. Oh, it was so close to fitting in. Okay, let's do 450. Perfect. Now let's move it a little bit. This like tutorial on how to do blindfolded edit challenge. Okay. let's move the blindfolded up a little because there's barely any space. And then challenge. This is really boring, so why? Okay, there. Now last thing. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to, well, I already told you guys to like and subscribe. Don't forget to be amazing. Bye everyone.